Alright, this video is for my hairy homies because this is a Philips Series 3000 body shaver, and this is the package. Let's open this up. Yeah, me and opening packages. Nice. Okay, there was an accident with the camera. Anyway, yeah, seems nice. Okay. Warranties and stuff, and yeah. Okay, here's this head. Charger. Nice. Okay, feels nice, but there's no bag in it to carry, to put this into your luggage, etc. when you're traveling, it would be nice if they put a bag in it, but it is what it is. So not too light, not too heavy, it's good. And it takes 8 hours to charge this, and it lasts 50 minutes, which could be more than enough, I guess, but it also depends on how big you are, or how heavy you are, or how fast you can use your hands. Sound test. No, doesn't work. So it has this charge indicator. Has no power in it, so we can't use it. I got a friend, he uses this all the time.
Sound test.
And he's like a wolfman, it's like he was born as a body hair, and he grew into that with time. So and he's pretty satisfied with this product. So if he's satisfied, I mean, that's an impressive benchmark, if you ask me. I mean, if I were Philips, I will hire him as the face of this product, but it is what it is. So it is waterproof. It comes with this head, which is 3 millimeters. By the way, it's probably you've seen it. It's bidirectional, which is pretty nice. Skin friendly shaver. I'm sure it's a nice product. Not too expensive too, I think that's about it. Take care.